Hi guys, good afternoon. If you missed class this morning, this is the how to select your answers for your lesson 16 using context clues assignment. We are in Google Classroom. We're going to click on the document. As you see, it comes in kind of small, so we'll hit the magnifying glass, click 50%, scroll to the top, and we see the top of our worksheet. And you know how to make this document bigger if you're having trouble reading it. Of course, you're going to read through the document. Now, to write in your answers, you see the words type here. When you click on that, a blue box will appear. Then you put the cursor at the end of the word, hit the backspace button, and type your answer there. And you do that each time. Now, to get to the second page of this assignment, because it is a two-page assignment, you go over here to the left, scroll down, click on our second page, scroll to the top, and you see where you're supposed to read a short text and to answer a multiple choice questions. Now, this is how you choose a multiple choice answer. If you click on the letter, hopefully, a blue box will appear. Now, say we wanted to pick this answer choice C. I would click on C, type a capital X, click away, and you see that small X right there. That lets me know that you picked answer choice C. So that is how you, take that away. That is how you pick a multiple choice answer, and that is how you type in a written answer.